got no rope to
This is the last you'll ever see of Mike
Yeah.
as he drops out of sight. And this is what we came to see. Wreckage. We'll have a closer look. Alright, it's a little windy today, so hopefully the mic doesn't get too scrambled. This goes way up the little cliff there. I'm gonna go see what this thing is. Mike and Mark are already there. Got a bunch more wreckage over there. All the old lampshades, light shades. Head out of the road on the way in. We'll go up to the top. Wind is brutal. Oh, we got a nice big chute here, eh? Truck drives in, they dump the load into the truck. Some kind of side chute here. Like it's falling down. All that's falling down. Big building. We got more buildings up there in the bush. Looks like a huge mine. Hey, so we got more wreckage here. And we look up here, we got a huge structure, huge. And this all this debris stretches all the way along this hillside back to that other structure. Man, there's so much stuff here you don't even know what's what.
Building.
Buildings, yeah, wrecked buildings. This whole front, looks like there used to be a building right off the front of that thing and it's all collapsed.
You know, the timber frame buildings are down and these big steel frame buildings are down.
Yeah. If you can see, there's little footings all through the bush where everything used to be. Probably a conveyor belt used to run along here or something. That's a mess. And that's a big building. We got all kinds of wreckage across the hillside here. Look way up. Made our way in here.
That have been.
Double chutes.
Well, these look exactly almost like what we saw in.
Like we saw at the other place, yeah. Yeah. That building's a little collapsed.
Definitely fared better.
Huge beams.
There's a staircase or anything there to the second floor?
Nope. Some kind of platform here. Another chute. Looks like there's probably a big eagle's nest or bird's nest up above there. Oh yeah. That's looking up into this thing. There's where that bird's nest is.
Want a souvenir, Mike? An iron ball?
Yeah, kind of no ball.
The roof's kind of falling apart. Oh, that's pretty cool. Intrepid adventure is set to go forth to the unknown through the.
Down on something? I'm like, just look, is there? What?
Trying to figure out the best way to do this without assistance.
Jump up on his hand.
So without assistance.
Oh, you need assistance.
Yep.
There, got her now.
Well, I don't know what came down here. See a big clump of. Well, this is the refined, just the crushed ore, I guess. That came in through the ceiling, which is all hanging down right there. You can see outside. Not much to see up here, just a mound of crap. I don't even think I wanted to finish climbing up here, because it doesn't look like there's anything in here. Except potential to fall through the floor.
All the little steel balls here from the ball mill.
It's pretty thick.
Like there's crates of it here. Look at that. It's from the ball mill.
Ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, we're just up beside that building that we were just in. And there used to be probably a conveyor belt going across there too. There's a building over here I'm gonna check out. All right, this is that other building. Some kind of shack with a table in it. From the looks of it. Woohoo, slippery. Oh, I got stairs, and here comes Mike. Mike just came up the stairs. Right on.
Cool.
Got a tin ceiling on the inside.
Building's leaning against that hillside.
Yeah, it'll stay.
Gone a few years of heavy snow. This whole side of the thing down
Oh, looks like a, yeah, this has got to be an assay shack. Got shelving in there for the trays, table. It's an assay shack. Ooh, ghost story. Run!
Oh, why'd you have to talk to that?
I hear knocking.
Cool view. Like, oh, where'd the frickin' building go?
Yeah, I don't think we want to walk down there.
No.
That's looking a little.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture here.
Hey, hang on. How's it going? Looking back over to all the big piles of dirt in there or something.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like, this is wild.
Come back up the stairs.
Right.
Used to be a walkway right across. Gone now. I'll go down the other side of this debris. So that building used to come all the way out to this footing right here. Down below the building here. Mike found the boiler. Old steam boiler. I'll go check that out. There's the old steam boiler. Firebox. Somebody took the doors off of it. There's the tubes. Is there a name or anything on it?
Not that I see. Nameplate should be on this side here by the door, and I don't see it.
I don't see anything. Not even where something might have been. What's that big pipe there for?
It's a chimney,
That's the chimney?
or flue, or whatever you want to call
Oh
it.
yeah, I guess it went right in the end there.
It is.
There's the top of the smokestack for the boiler. Probably would have had a screen around there. Prevent embers from coming out. Quite the debris field here. It's a one-way coupling, like it's like a turn.
Yeah, it's got the key. Well, it's got
It
a keyway and
spins,
everything,
spins one way only. The other way is like a clutch.
so disengages.
Yeah,
I don't know if that's. Well, it's got a keyway though, so it's not like it would disengage on the run. Like you'd have to.
Sure,
it'd be
why
a
not?
maintenance thing.
I call it a clutch.
Good way to make sure your motor's not spinning backwards.
Yeah. I got some kind of.
Just have the freaking coupling come apart.
Used to be a building down here of some kind. Oh, look at the pipe support there. Oop, pipe support
hanger or something.
right there. Yeah. Some kind of, oh, that's probably because of the conveyor system. No, this is something you definitely don't see. Banded wood pipe. That is cool. You can see where the ones that are rotted out here, just the bands left. Old piece of a chute sitting here. We're down at the bottom of the foundation between the two big buildings. Oh, it's a, they've even got some kind of chute in there. It's a mess of debris in there. Looks like a workbench in there. Valves all collapsed down. Might have been another layer on this. Wow, some kind of, it's almost like a golden rock. Building sitting on some kind of rock and they've dug it out. The remnants of a centrifugal pump, like a snail shell, a hopper, big hopper. There's the, looks like the little pump, the wheel pump that goes inside the centrifugal. This used to be a whole building along here. Yeah, that's the impeller that goes in the centrifugal pump. And this is just all collapsed down. What a mess. Old drums, and that went up on an angle. That's probably where the conveyor went along, maybe going up into that other building. What would this be, like a sump?
Whereabouts?
This hole here.
Is there a hole there?
Yeah, like a cistern.
Could be a sump. I mean, there's plenty of spots in here that are obviously filled in that went lower.
Big tank up there, like a water tank.
Or a bog.
This is all processing, eh?
Yeah, this is all part of the road complex.
Electrical panel over there. Got a chute coming out up above the tank. Oh, it's got little scoops on it.
Yeah, I don't know what for. Obviously,
That's cool. It lifts stuff up. It's quite the process here. That's the bottom of that tank. There's that little electrical switch. It's on right now, so we got to be careful.
I just turned it on.
Oh, good. So now we're gonna get electrocuted.
Yeah.
It's like there used to be stairs and a deck there. Yeah, there's those stairs that went up underneath. More collapsed structure. And this is that chain. Looks like it would pick up debris or something. I don't know what. It's got a gear on the floor to run the chain. Just looking up to the top where those chutes are. Maybe these are like slurry tanks or something. I'm not sure. A bunch of tanks in a row here. There's the top of that chain and the scoops. It's just too collapsed in there to go in there. Right below the big tank. And the chutes. Piece of rail here. Nothing written on it. Alright, Mike's abandoning me and going to the top, so we're gonna head to the top. Hey, this is the top. These are like huge chutes, like they dump. Used to be a building or a hopper here or something. And they'd probably come from the mine, dump them in here, and then it would start the process. Way down to that floor. This is a big hopper. Dump all the ore in there. That's a huge wood chute.
This is all cement wall right here, eh? Underneath? Yeah.
Looks like slag, eh?
Whereabouts?
Right here, like a slag shack.
Oh.
That frickin' room down there is pristine. There's a ladder going down to the floor.
That was probably the guy that operated this. Probably
I know, that's I just
little shack.
what would be in there.
Probably a little log going.
Okay, oh look at there's the gate operator right there, the cable over. Nice set of stairs going down to a nice clean room.
Steel line tank there below us too, eh?
Oh, there's a ladder in that room
That's
too.
exactly what I said.
Wow.
Look at this steel tank here, and there's a ladder coming out of it as well. Steel ladder,
Oh yeah.
big circular tank. Looks like a frickin' full circle.
So
on that wall's
all
got.
the ore would go in this chute and fall into this bin.
I don't know if it fell into that bin. It looks like it keeps going.
Yeah.
Go all the way to the loader. I don't know what this bin
The
was.
other one looked like it was shorter.
Well, maybe there was a short one. I don't know. Maybe they could choose where they wanted it to go.
We're at the top of that first big building. That's pretty cool. I'm sure you can get in there. This is the last you'll ever see of Mike.
Yeah.
As he drops out of sight. Yeah, that looks like some kind of iron slag. I got a little ladder here, so it's obviously pretty deep and full of stuff.
A couple of years ago, we got in here.
It doesn't look like there's a lot up top here. Big waste rock pile. To this shack, anyways. We're up above all the collapsed buildings. Get a better look down here. Out onto the lake. The big bin. This is that walkway conveyor belt system machinery. This is the processing plant. And that would go across to the other big bin. There's that slag bin. There's a door where the slag would drop out and go into something down here. It's the side of the building. We got more up top above that other tall building. Got an old shack used to be up here. Some kind of workshop, I'm assuming. Lots of pipes and stuff in there. On the back side of that building. Somebody's propped this wall up so it won't fall over. So supposedly all along here there was houses for the men, women, families. I think there's a big concrete foundation up there or something. We'll have to head up there and see. Some kind of structure. Concrete's all falling apart. There's two of these. Maybe it was a bridge that went up there. Oh, there was lights in here though. And there's all kinds of I don't know if that's mold or white mold. Looks like it. There's the back side of that structure. And the other one over here, it's got tin around them. They're like insulated. Maybe they're like cold storage or something. I don't know. There's the front of that other one. It's all falling apart.
There's no hole in it, like maybe a shaft you'd figure, but
No. But there's something up here. And the guys think this is a transformer station. Slabs up here, a lot of burnt. This building was burned. Got a big center post there that's still standing. Yeah. See the insulators hanging there and the wires. The old fence that would have gone around it. All burned. There's all the coolant pipes. Looks like part of a, I don't know if it's a water pump or an engine. Yeah, it looks like a cylinder head. Maybe a little diesel engine. Diesel water pump. Something big used to sit on here. You can see the I-beams sticking out of the concrete. She be torched. All the poles have been cut off here. So we're thinking that transformer station, the poles went across here to where all the houses used to be, where the quads are, all the way down that row there. And the bin and the mill and the shacks are over there. And that's about it. So I hope you like the tour of the old town, the old mine town. Thanks for watching, guys.